Bonjour, good morning. Je m'appelle Himanshu. My name is Himanshu, and today I'm going to teach you conjugation of verbs in French. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous enseigner conjugation les verbes en français. Let us start. C'est parti. This conjugation which I'm going to teach you, it is for present tense. In French, verbs have three kinds of ending. They could be either er, ir, or re. On the extreme left, I have written down pronouns. Je, which means I, tu means you, singular, il, elle, on, he, she, we, nous, we, vous, you all, il, elle means they. So whenever we have a verb ending with er and we use to frame a sentence with subject pronoun je, the ending er will be replaced by e. And the same rule will apply for all of these pronouns. Their endings will change accordingly. Coming to ir verb, the same rule. Whenever the verb ends with ir and we use, let's say, subject pronoun tu in a sentence, then ir will get replaced by is. When we use nu, ir will replace with iss ons, and so on. And same is the case with re kind of verbs. Now let us understand what I just said with the help of some examples. But to frame sentences in present tense, and I must say regular kind of verbs, because in French we have regular and irregular verbs, and these endings are specifically for regular verbs only. So let us do some examples. Regular er verbs. One of the examples of regular er verb is aimer, which means to love. If I say I love, je is I, you can see here aim, I wrote aim, and then er will get replaced with e. How come? Let's go back. If you could see, for er verb, when we used subject pronoun je, er will get replaced by e. That's what I just taught you. So here e came instead of er. So we say j'aime. J'aime means I love. In the same way, tu, aim, and er will get replaced with es, because tu and er will replace with es. So tu aime means you love. In the same way, il aime, he loves, elle aime, she loves, on aime, we love. Nous aimons. Why it is nous aimons? In French, whenever the first word is finished with a consonant, which is s here, and the next word starts with a vowel, then we pronounce both words together. It means it is pronounced as nous aimons. Nous, then zemo. Nous aimons, we love. The same rule is applied here. Vous aimez, you love. Ils aiment, elles aiment, because ent is always silent in French. Ils aiment, elles aiment means they love. I hope you understood how we frame the sentence. Another example, er verb. The verb here is parler, P-A-R-L-E-R. I repeat, parler, P-A-R-L-E-R, ends with er. So we wrote je parle français. Er gets replaced with e according to our table. I speak French. You speak French. Tu, the verb is parler, P-A-R-L-E-R. Then er get replaced with es. It becomes tu parles français. You speak French. In the same way, il, elle parle français. He, she speaks French. Nous parlons français. We speak French. Vous parlez français. You speak French. Il parle français. They speak French. Or elle parle français. They speak French. When we are representing all females, then elle is used. When we are representing all males, then il is used. And when there is a mixture of males and females, then again il will be used. ILS, il. Coming to another verb which is finir. Then after er we came to ir kind of verb. Finir, which means finish. Je finis. You can see ir got replaced with s. Going back to our ending, it is is. You can see here it replaced, and I wrote here is. So je finis means I finish. In the same way, all the letters are replaced according to the table. Tu finis, you finish. Il finit, elle finit, on finit. He finishes, she finishes. We finish. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you finish. Ils finissent, elles finissent means they finish. Another example is the verb is choisir. Choisir. So it got ended with ir. The sentence is I choose a book. Je choisis. Okay, so we replaced ir with is according to the table, and it became je choisis un livre. I choose a book. You choose a book. Tu choisis un livre. He, she chooses a book. Il, elle choisit un livre. We choose a book. Nous choisissons un livre. You choose a book. Vous choisissez un livre. They choose a book. Ils choisissent, elles choisissent un livre, because ENT is pronounced in French always. The last category of verb is remaining is RE. So the verb I took is entendre, which means to hear. Let's do the conjugation based on the table. Je, which means I. Entendre. Je entends. We pronounce it entend. As you see, the correct pronunciation would be j'entends. If you say je entends, that is wrong. You have to say j'entends. Why? Because the French, it's a rule whenever the first word ends with a vowel and the next word starts with a vowel, then the first vowel get replaced with apostrophe. That's the French rule. Therefore, it is J'entends. J'entends means I speak. Tu entends. It means you speak. Now, if you observe, in tu, u is a vowel and e is a vowel, but still we have written them separately because exceptions are also there in French. But even if you had written tonton, still it would have been corrected because few people say in that way also. But grammatically it is tu entends. Il entend, elle entend, on entend means he hears, she hears, we hear. Nous entendons means we hear. Vous entendez, you hear. Ils entendent, elles entendent means they hear. Last example for RE verb is vendre. Vendre means to sell. This is the original verb because it ends with RE. Now to make sentences we have to conjugate it. Example, I am selling the table. Je vends la table. Je vends la table. You are selling a table. Tu vends la table. He, she is selling the table. Il, elle vend la table. We are selling the table. Nous vendons la table. You are selling the table. Vous vendez la table. Il, elle, they are selling the table. Il, elle vend la table. I would like to mention here, although we will do this thing in detail, but in French, present continuous tense does not exist. So if I am saying I am selling the table, it would give the same meaning I sell the table in English. You are selling the table, it's same, you sell the table. She is selling the table is same like she sells the table, and so on. That's all about the verb lesson for present tense, and this was all related to for regular verbs. I hope you liked this lesson. If in case you want to attend the full course of French language for A1 and A2 level, you can contact me on this number. Till that time, I make a new video and upload. Take care and enjoy your time. Au revoir.